So in this video, we are going to look at 10 high shrink indicators or 10 characteristics of high shrink store. So let's begin. Following standard operating procedures and adhering day-to-day operational guidelines will keep your store running smoothly and effectively. By this, we demonstrate command and authority in the store by eliminating many mistakes and opportunities that result in retail store losses. A store standard operating atmosphere that illustrates such control will limit errors, provide checks and balances that correct missteps before they become an issue. It can also be intimidating to those individuals that might otherwise engage in a dishonest activities. Back of house area or stock room is also called as backbone of any store. There are many different hazards are associated with the cluttered and unkempt stock rooms. Improper storage can lead to safety concerns such as unsafe or top heavy stacking, tripping hazards, chemical hazards, damaged merchandise, broken equipments, obstructed aisles, fire exits, inadequate lighting, inadequate storage space, and other dangerous or improper conditions. From loss and prevention perspective, this can also result in poor merchandise accountability, product availability on floor, other unwanted employee related issues, and at the end, it will increase opportunities for theft. Especially with apparel products, trial room plays very crucial part and it should never be afterthought in your store. In fact, statistics shows that customers' most final decisions are made as customers try on various clothing options in trial rooms. Untidy, cluttered and generally lacking employee attention will discourage our honest customers, and that will open doors for theft and other issues. This one should come as a no surprise. Good customer service don't go out of style no matter what are you selling. By approaching, greeting, offering assistance to the customer, giving a smile to the customer, along with other practices that help to effectively manage customer visits and deter dishonest activities. See, dishonest customers want to conceal their activities and mask their intentions. Focused and alert sales associate is worst enemy of thieves. By the same respect, if your business is known for poor customer service, then you can expect several things to happen and none of them is good for your business. A largely good housekeeping practices send a clear message to our customer regarding our service and our core value, excellence. A clean, neat, well-maintained store eliminates many areas where merchandise can be damaged, lost or stolen, avoids many potential safety hazards. It also establishes an attitude of caring, respect and control that can be intimidating to potential dishonest individuals. Guys, believe me, these factors will speak volumes about the store leadership and employee performance, practically inviting many of the influences that leads to shrink concerns. One of the most effective and proactive tools on retail selling floors is strong merchandising. A strong presentation coupled with proper, effective use of store fixture and displays will increase merchandise sales, draw in footfall, thus eliminating many opportunities for dishonest customers to conceal their activities. This increases customer associate exposure to the area and offers visual indicators when product is missing. Taking a practical example, some of your store employees knows by looking at the display that which product, how many products are missing, either they are sold or conversely, areas that are poorly merchandised and appear in disarray provides opportunity for damages, theft and other losses. When we practice our daily guns during the hiring process, we eliminate many potential issues and reinforce positive aspect of our team. However, when we don't properly recognize or interpret information provided on application or resume, And when we don't ask the right questions during the interview process, if we don't dig into the background, if an individual is experienced, it can lead to bad hires, and that can have a lasting effect on health of store and entire team. It has been said that retailing is all about detailing. If you are associated with retail, then you have to go in deep, you have to go in detail. See, looking at the big picture is important, no doubt, but your attention to detail is what ultimately keeps you successful. Attention to detail is level of care, accuracy and thoroughness applied to the particular task. When we skip steps and overlook important details, bad things eventually takes place. Overlooking details, failing to complete tasks on time, providing required approvals and signatures without looking appropriate steps, and other issues will lead to a poor performance. Rewarding your employees for stellar performance and providing progressive counseling for those who aren't performing to expectation can lead to stronger, efficient and satisfied business team. See, the level of inspiration of a particular team is responsibility of leader. Leader's energy will automatically transfer into his or her business team. By the same respect, behavioral issues, tolerated poor performance and lack of motivation, it will not only disrupt the work culture but also lowers the bars of other employees. Bad habits can spread like a virus through workforce, leading to multiple workplace concerns, to include shrink issues. Effective loss and prevention efforts requires an interactive perspective that searches for the most effective ways to maximize profit while keeping our stores safe and secure. Changing our perspectives and our approach, understanding how these concepts implement the business model and effectively communicating these ideas throughout our store will help us to build partnership and teamwork, creating an atmosphere of cooperation that helps improve sales, lower shrink and enhance profits. None of us is as smart as all of us. It takes open mind and collective efforts to put it together. I hope you found this video valuable. This is Basaras Patil signing off until we meet again.